Hey folks, welcome to BitesWellness. Today we're diving into tiramisu. Tiramisu originates from the Treviso dialect Tiremesù, which means pick me up. It was later Italianized into tiramisu, like the ones at Romano's Macaroni Grill and Olive Garden in USA. The closest traditional recipe is the zuppa del duca, Duke's soup, a Tuscan dessert, an early version of tiramisu, created for the Grand Duke Cosimo III de' Medici. Trust me, this is a game changer. Here's a pro tip. Ladyfingers absorb liquid very easily, so dip them in the instant coffee or espresso mixture for only about 1 to 2 seconds per side. This prevents them from becoming too soggy and helps maintain their texture. Let's get cooking. Let's make mascarpone cream mixture. Pour in a clear bowl, 250 grams of mascarpone cheese. Add 70 grams of sugar to the mascarpone cheese, whisk until smooth. Now add 100 grams of whipping cream. Split into 3 portions when pouring the whipped cream, whisk until thickens. This will help with a smoother mixture. Next, in a shallow dish, combine 200 ml of hot water, 9 grams of instant black coffee, and 10 grams of sugar. Mix well. Pro tip: for a much richer flavor, you can use espresso or Turkish coffee. If this video helpful, please subscribe, hit that like button, give a thumbs up, and share my BitesWellness channel. Your support means the world to me. Now let's continue. Now grab your ladyfingers biscuit or shortbread fingers for our tiramisu. See the sugary part on the ladyfingers? Keep in mind when assembling, the sugar-free portion absorbs the coffee well. To ensure the ladyfingers soak up the coffee properly, place the sugar-free portion in the coffee mixture facing up, also soak the top part. Put the soaked biscuit in a dry glass container. I'm using 10.5 centimeters x 10.5 centimeters 500 ml in size. We will make 2 layered biscuits inside the container. Every layer we add mascarpone cream mixture on top. Let the tiramisu set in the refrigerator for at least 1 hour. This is another version of instant tiramisu. Dust the top generously with cocoa powder before serving. And there you have it, a tiramisu that's as good as Romano's Macaroni Grill and Olive Garden in USA. So energizing, I need to eat more. I hope you enjoy making these as much as I did. Remember, cooking is all about experimenting and finding what works for you. Here's one pro tip. Chill the mascarpone cream mixture in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes. This helps it firm up slightly, making it easier to spread evenly and maintain its shape when layered with the ladyfingers. I am sure you've enjoyed this recipe and try these. Please subscribe, like, and share BitesWellness. See you in my next video.